Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the Lux Pro Programmable Thermostat, and we're going to be covering the topic of factory reset of the device. This model here is the PCP511LC. It also covers the 511C model as well. This is the backlit display. I believe the C model is the non-backlit. But anyways, there's two simple ways to do this. Now, the easiest way is by opening up this front panel door, and you're going to see a small reset button there. Okay, this here will do a software reset. There's also a hardware reset, which I'll get in a second. But by clicking this, and make sure it clicks, it's going to reset the screen, and basically it's only going to cover and reset the software. So that's going to be your filter quality values, as well as your program schedule. It's going to set it back to default factory setting. Now, if you need something else, more like a hardware configuration reset, which means how it's configured with your heating system, your furnace, or a heat pump, now this is not going to help you. What you want to do is actually open this up, get to the back side of the thermostat, and you're going to see this switch here. It says hardware reset. Now, this is important anytime you go ahead and switch any of these dip switches here. So right there, there's a set of switches. I will go over that in the next video, which covers the setup options when you first set this up. So this is important to know how your system in your home is configured. So if you get this used or off of eBay or even new, you're going to want to check out these settings and make sure these dip switches are correct and make sure it operates properly in your home. Now, once you hit this, it basically resets the device. So it's important to use this button every time you make a change to this dip switch set. You will apply the changes by hitting this hardware reset. So once we do that, I'll show you what it looks like. You have to actually hold down the next button when you do this. So we're going to go ahead and hold this down, hit the set, and now you get this. Okay, right now it's in its brand new state, as if you were to put in a fresh set of batteries right out of the package. So in order to get by this, you have to go back to set the time and then go back to the run screen. And now you're back in operation. That covers the hardware reset and also that software reset if you're just looking to change or go back to the factory reset for your scheduling, your programming. So I really hope that it helped you guys out. Please check out my next videos coming up when it comes to manual override, the setup options, as well as fully programming this device. There's a lot to it, even though it's a really simple programmable thermostat. There's a lot of hidden things that you're going to want to know. So I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.